What a lovely story at St Matthew's Primary in Limavady. And good luck to all those lovely little twins. Weather now, and we have had quite a cloudy but settled spell of weather recently.
Louise joins us now. Why has it been so dull?
Well, it has been persistently grey, dull, overcast the past few days. Last week as well, I possibly could have put the same forecast out and you may not even have noticed. It's been so similar. It has been difficult to fill the time. And it's due to high pressure. It has settled across us and it's an anticyclonic gloom. This occurs when that high pressure system settles, causing air to sink and trap quite a lot of low cloud underneath that. And with that, we also have some patchy light rain and drizzle at times. Now, this only really occurs in the autumn time because the sun just is not strong enough to break through the cloud to help break that up. Now, at the minute, with that high, we've had the same area of cloud just swirling around and around for the past week or more. We do have a slight transition coming our way into the weekend, something slightly more unsettled. But so far this month, we've actually only recorded 8 hours of sunshine. That equates to 9% of the sunshine average we would expect. We possibly should be sitting in around 45%. So it has been so grey and dull. We do have a change coming. It's going to turn slightly wetter and windier into the weekend. Here is the latest forecast. So it was another grey, dull and overcast day. We do have a change on the way with some unsettled conditions into the weekend, but ahead of that, high pressure will continue to dominate, keeping things largely settled, albeit rather grey, dull and overcast. We have quite a lot of cloud trapped under that high. It's slowly starting to edge off towards the northwest. We have that low pressure system slowly starting to edge in as we head towards the weekend, bringing some wet and potentially windy conditions through Saturday and Sunday. Tonight it will remain largely dry and cloudy, quite dull and overcast. Where we have any breaks in the cloud, we could see some patchy mist and fog patches forming as we head towards dawn. Some hill fog over the tops of the moors. Temperatures only falling a few degrees lower than today's temperatures, lows of around 9 or 10 degrees Celsius. So a mild start tomorrow morning, a grey, dull and overcast one. Some mist and fog patches lingering for a time, but they should clear away quite quickly. Where we have the thickest cloud tomorrow, we could see the odd spot of light rain and drizzle, but for most places it should stay dry. Feeling quite cool and chilly though under all of that cloud cover. Temperatures struggling to highs of 11 or 12 degrees Celsius. Across the rest of Ireland, a very similar story. Grey, dull day, overcast skies, the odd spot of rain here and there. Wind staying light and temperatures reaching highs of around 15 degrees Celsius. Could be a few brighter breaks in the cloud across the southwest, so it could feel quite pleasant in any of those sunny spells. Over the next couple of days, staying largely fine, dry and settled, albeit rather cloudy and dull. Then we see that slow transition to something slightly more unsettled as we head through the second half of the weekend. Bye-bye.